Lovely giraffe, isn't it? But why is this huge giraffe in the middle of buildings? No, we are not in a forest or a zoo. We are in a place where our creativity, we can build our own creativity. And this giraffe is, yes, we are in Legoland. And this giraffe is basically built out of a lot of Lego. Legoland is a place where you can improve your architectural and building skills. In Legoland, you can build whatever you want using your creativity and the bricks that are in for sale. And I also used to come here a lot of times to buy bricks and to build my own architectural structures. Please enjoy this walkthrough that I made. In the next video, I am going to show a video of me building a few robotics projects that I am going to make in Young Engineers, and they are also very automated with motors and batteries included when you get the kit. So it will be easy for me to get all of the items and build it. And in the robotics class, I go to Young Engineers, like you've seen on my previous shot, which was an Easter build at Young Engineers. And thanks for watching, everyone. Please do subscribe and stay tuned for the robotics build.